So, now how to add a little bit of oil in case our oil level is a little bit low. What we need to do is first of all open up our breather section, finger tight, very easily open this up, unscrewing the top, the breather pipe. So obviously that's where the air is going to come back out. We put that just over there. This time we open up on the opposite side the filling cap as well. Okay, again, this is just finger tight, it's a plastic cap because you have the O-ring that is just over there. We then get our very special customized and cut funnel. Make sure that you are using Nardi Pacific oil because this is a Pacific compressor. There are two types of Nardi oil, Pacific oil and Atlantic oil. You cannot mix them. Use the Pacific oil, open the top, and then all you want to do is pour a bit in. As you're pouring the oil in, okay, the air will be coming out here. Okay, so you're not going to get a bloop, bloop, bloop over there. And then also just keep an eye on the window, making sure that you don't go above that maximum marker. Cool?